So now I'm going to go ahead, get my day started, set the tone, and begin doing my face. And I'm going to use the main palette here. So you want to see what look I come up with, just keep watching. Dolls, welcome back to the channel. But if you happen to be the newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm just getting my day started, setting the tone, you know, about to do my makeup and stuff. And I thought to myself, you know, before I set the tone for the day, I want to give you all a new update since the launch of MzGlamourAddict.com website. So it's officially been 1 week and 3 days 1 week 3 days since the launch of MzGlamourAddict.com. and like I said, for the newbies that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, again, my name is Glam, and a week and 3 days ago I launched my MzGlamourAddict.com, which is an online beauty boutique that sells my cosmetic line. Yes, my very own totally legit cosmetic line that I have been working on since before the pandemic even came about. Yeah, since before then. But then when the pandemic hit, everything got pushed to a halt, and yeah, everything got pushed to a halt. But slowly, as things started progressing, I was able to reinvesting back into the cosmetic line, and I'm happy that I finally have it in my hands, which is I added a new palette into my cosmetic line. This is my 35 color eyeshadow palette right here, my newest release, and I'm so excited to have it in my hands and now available for you all to see. Oh, first I should show you the larger palette for the newbies, right? For the newbies that's passing through. So in the larger palette, you're going to get, this is the packaging for it, but it comes in its own bubble wrap. When you get it out of its bubble wrap, this is the palette right here. Excuse the glare. It has MzGlamourAddict encrusted, all right, encrusted into it. That's not no sticker, honey. It is encrusted. And then when you get it open, it has a protective shield right here, because you know we got to protect the eyeshadows, okay? And then I have personally curated all 35 colors, okay? My personal curation. I individually picked each and every color to put into this palette, and I could not be more happy with it, but simply because I'm such a neutral girl at heart, and I wanted you all to have a palette that would not only complement, you know, your skin tone, but can also complement its use with whatever outfit that you desire to wear. So the colors that's curated in this palette, it'll complement your skin tone, it'll complement your outfit of the day or your outfit of the evening, or whatever place or venue that you're going to. If you're going for brunch, if you're going for lunch, if you're going for dinner with your girls, or with your significant other, whatever the occasion, this palette is a go-to. It has 35 insanely pigmented colored eyeshadows, which you're going to see me use a little bit later on in this video. That's it. That was just the quick update of MzGlamourAddict.com. So now I'm going to go ahead, get my day started, set the tone, and begin doing my face. And I'm going to use the main palette here. So you want to see what look I come up with, just keep watching. Okay, dolls, it's time to get the day started and set the tone of the day. And for me, that all begins by filling in my eyebrows with some concealer. If I can get a good strong eyebrow day, everything else is going to fall into place. Once I use the concealer to pre-shape my eyebrows, I then take some brow powder and begin filling in where I don't have any eyebrow hairs. I'm real meticulous when it comes to this point, so I like to take my time, hence why I said we got to set the tone of the day. Now once I fill it in with the brow powder, I'm then going to go back with my concealer and just shape the outer edge, get that outer edge going, connect the two, and then with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm then going to go ahead and blend the concealer out so I don't have any harsh lines and demarcation. So once that's done, I'm going to take some eyelid primer, place that all over the entire mobile areas of my eyes, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to blend that up towards the brow bone. And now we're going to move into the palette. I'm so excited. Oh my God. So excited. So anyway, here's my palette. I curated all 35 shades. Hand-picked each shade in this palette. What I love about it is color you see. You're definitely going to get just like that. What? Yep. Just like that. So anyhow, I picked a color that's slightly darker than my natural skin tone. Apply that all over the mobile area of my eye and up into my crease area. I'm going to go back into my palette and take this darker brown color and pop that only in the crease. Keeping it nice and low. Focusing that only in on the crease. This is what's going to create the definition in my eyes. And by the way, do you see how pigmented this is? Told you all, color you see, you're going to get. So as I finish defining my eyes by darkening my crease, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a little bit of eyeshadow base. With the warmth of my fingertips, applying that only on the mobile area of the eyelids. And then I'm going to go back into the palette and pick this gold color right here and watch this magic. Watch this. What? That's what I'm talking about. With my flat shader brush, I'm going to take the gold and apply it all over the mobile area of my eye. Going back, take a little bit more of that dark brown, redefine the crease just a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and look, this is a secret. I'm sampling my new pressed glitters. Look at this. Gorgeous. It's loose glitter, and I'm testing it out, making sure it meets the tone, and it's sure enough to. Applying that all over the mobile area of my eyes. And then I'm gonna add some liquid liner to start finishing off the look. But as I was adding the liquid liner, I began thinking to myself, not bad. See, MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics created this eye look. Only thing left for me to do now is to add my lashes and my hair of the day, and voila. I decided to go with this hair right here. I've been wanting to wear this wig for quite some time. The name of the wig will be down in the description box below. It is insanely affordable, okay? I'm now going to apply my lipstick right here, which is available on my website, MzGlamourAddict.com. The lipstick is number 11. That's the number of the lipstick, is number 11. Take that on. A little bit of lipstick, and just going to top it with a little bit of lip gloss. And as I do that, dolls, this is pretty much concluding the video. Oh my God, just like that. And this is the full look using my 35 color eyeshadow palette, which is available on my website, MzGlamourAddict.com. And yeah, this now concludes the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything I use in the order that I use it will be listed down in the description box below, along with the direct link for you to be able to get your fingertips on my eyeshadow palette. As I said in the beginning, it's 35 colors right here. Easy to blend, super pigmented. Color you see, you're definitely going to get in. It won't break your bank. Facts. So on that note, seriously, this now have concluded the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and put on my earrings that, oh, let me show them to you real quick. These earrings that I got from Shein are the cutest. Look at that right here. These are so cute. I'm gonna apply my earrings, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.